What's up guys, welcome to this new video where I'm going to show you how you can generate vertical images with AI. And in this video I'm using ChatGPT and I'm using the ChatGPT 4.0 browser engine as it is free for everyone. I've created a little prompt and it is as following. Generate an image of a girl sitting on a wooden chair on a farm in an utopic scenery. The orientation must be vertical. And I've added this sentence at the back. And why did I do that? That is because this sentence will make the orientation of the image that I'm creating vertical. And right now I am going to send this prompt and we're going to wait a little while. And I'm coming back to you when it's finished. And here we have it, guys. An image of a girl sitting on a wooden chair on a farm in an utopic scenery. And as you can see, the orientation is vertical. And with an orientation vertical like this, we can use it for example, Reels, TikToks, Shorts, or you can just send it to people you would like on a phone, because this orientation is perfect for phones. So that's basically how you do it, guys. You just have to add the sentence I showed you, that the orientation must be vertical, and you will create every image in a vertical orientation. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.